Hello guys, so in this video I'll show and I'll tell you how you can make this website, this animation button with this animation. So let's get started the video guys. So here guys, we are going to make a website design. So let's open your VS Code and here make index.html file and here make another style.css file. So for this index.html file we'll have to add and link style.css file and then add div.banner. In this banner we have to add some of the CSS for this banner. So first of all, add margin 0 and padding 0. This is the basic functionality for this code. So now add font family sans serif and come back and add banner class. In this banner class you have to add background image, linear gradient, this color code and this color code and URL and the picture name, which name is 1.jpg. After this add background position and background size and width and height. After this let's come back to your HTML file and in this div.banner add div.container. In this container add ul li a and home. Let's duplicate it and here add about services and last you have to add contact. And after this add CSS for this container. So let's come back and first of all let's check your website how is it like now. So let's go click to go live and look, your website is looking like this. So this is not so much pretty good, so you have to add some CSS for this container. So in this container we have to add display, text, align item, center, justify content, flex and add some padding 20 pixel and 0 and add width 100% and add CSS for this ul and li. Here we will add list style, none, and after this add display inline dog and add margin 0 and 20 pixel and add CSS for this container ul, li and anchor tag. So for this add color white and font size 20 pixel and now add, let's check it, and text decoration none. Now let's check your website now. This is looking like a very pretty website, but it's not so much pretty like now. So let's add some of the CSS more and some HTML more in this. So add div.content. In this div.content add h1 tag. In this you have to write something like what you want, programming with ready. I'm writing this and after this add paragraph tag. In this paragraph, here is the best learning website. After this add button. In this button, style will be button and here add some of the text for this. Watch more, and let's duplicate this button. And here add some of other text like subscribe here. And now we have to add some of the CSS for this button and for this edge content. So let's come back, and in this you have to add content. For this content you have to add position relative. Top 50%, transform, translate to y minus 50%, and text align, center, color white, and width it will be 100. So after adding all this, let's come back to the website, and you can see these all text are coming there. So let's come back and add some more CSS for this content h1, and for this h1 add margin auto, and padding will be 12 pixel, and font size will be 60 pixel, and font family it will be Cambria, and this. And after this add text transform uppercase. After writing this, let's come back to your website and look. It is looking like this. It's looking pretty good now. So let's add content, and then p tag, and for this p tag add color white, and then font size 25 pixel. Is this good or not? Yes, this is looking good. And after this, let's add some of the CSS for this button. But first of all, you have to add here a span tag, and here also span, and our text will be removed. It is removed now, and let's should be a CRIP subscribe. So let's come back and let's see there's no changes here. So let's come back to the CSS file, and in this CSS add button tag. For this button tag add CSS which will be background color, not just background. Simple is that you have to write only there a background, and background will be transparent, and cursor pointer, and after this position relative, and margin will be approximately 12 pixel, and 20 pixel. So padding it will be 15 pixel and 20 pixel, and after this you have to add border radius. It will be 25 pixel, and simple border color it will be 2 pixel, solid, and aqua, and after this color of the text button which is white, and add width 200 pixel, and font weight bold, and text align it will be center, and overflow hidden, so our span will not overflow. Span, for this span you have to add some more CSS for this span. So here you have add background of our span aqua, which color flows from left to right. Border radius 25 pixel, and width it will be 0, and height it will be 100%, and position it will be absolute now. And after this, add z index, it will be -1, so our text, so our animation is looking like good. Transition 0.5 second, and cursor pointer and left 0, and button 0. After this, add button span hover. So when you hover to the span, so its width will be 100%. So initially width will be 0, and when we hover on our button, then width will be 100%. So let's save. Let's come back, and you can see that you have to add some of the, so here you have to add hover first, button, and then hover, and then span. So let's save and come back. You can see that it's looking much pretty good now. This is so much good. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and guys, after watching my video, let's subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.